Good medical morning. Today we have an interesting one for you. It involves this lip pimple that went completely haywire. Let's look at a few lip pimples while we discuss what caused the problem and how using a dedicated pimple popping tool would have prevented the issue. The 23-year-old Chicago man had a pimple that was bothering him when he decided to try to get rid of it himself. According to the Daily Mail, the construction worker caught a severe fungal infection on his lower lip after attempting to pop a pimple using his carpentry blade. A case report published in the Journal of Emergency Medicine revealed that he went to see a doctor with a painful lesion under his lower lip, which had been growing for several months. The young man was not experiencing any other symptoms, such as headaches, fever, weight loss, chills, or major discomfort. So, doctors were not quite sure what to make of the case. Then, he revealed that he had used a woodworking blade to cut off a pimple shortly before the lesion began growing. According to Science Alert, the fungus is typically found in soil, as well as wet, decaying wood near rivers and streams. The fungal infection typically occurs after people breathe in the spores. In about 70% of patients, blastomycosis presents itself as a lung infection. Ultimately, the infection is a result of using a woodworking tool to pop a pimple. We see people using all sorts of items, including dirty fingernails, to pop pimples. Let's hope in the future he invests $20 in a high-quality pimple popping kit. We'll put a link to our favorite one in the description below.